from morning run gola. Gola fresh, gola fresh. All who don't be it from evening run gola. I should be singing them kind of song. Next thing you might hear me and take me and gone. Daniel saw that stone rolling down to Babylon. Daniel saw the stone rolling down to Babylon. Daniel saw the stone rolling down to Babylon. Daniel saw that stone. Daniel saw the stone rolling down to Babylon. Daniel saw the stone rolling down to Babylon. Daniel saw the stone rolling down to Babylon. Daniel saw that stone. Daniel saw the stone rolling down to Daniel saw that stone rolling down to Babylon. Daniel saw that stone rolling down to Babylon.
Sheppy!
Yes, Mildred.
The food ready. Come when you're done.
Mildred? You be careful of the things them what you're saying to me now. But come when you're ready.
Lord man, you're too rude.
Me rude? Are you too rude? You remember last night? Hey, Mildred. After last night, you have me singing. Girl, you're too bad. Girl, you're too rude. No, me not sing the part of that song there. You're just bad and rude.
Can't bother with you now. Anyway, you have a surprise for you.
What? You have surprise to me? Mildred, you know me not too love them surprise thing they do, By the way, Mildred, you know me can't understand. Me can't understand how when it come on to you, it's like me can't see certain things. All me I try to see, me can't see.
Cause me have your week.
Boy! How you say a while ago, Mildred? How you say a while ago? You have me weak? You know say true? Because me really can't see when they come on to you. Because if me a Clark Kent, you is Louise Lane. And if me a Spider-Man, guess what? You is Mary Jane.
So wait till I get off the towel.
When me ready? And you are going to take it off,
Alright, come, cause you never stop.
Go on, man, me a come. So Mildred, how me I look for?
No.
Me I look? What me care? What on? How could I so bright come park up on me gate? Me say who could I so bright fi come park on me gate?
Shepherd, I know nobody come park at the gate.
Mildred, don't tell me caca. Me blind? Me say a fool for be vehicle that park on me gate.
Sheppy, are your own.
But Mildred, me ain't drive no vehicle come here.
Sheppy, cause you don't own a vehicle.
Same caca. Me tell you say me no own no vehicle. I know me drive the vehicle. Smarty park on me gate. I know you tell me say me no own no vehicle. I'm mad, me mad.
Calm down, Sheppy. Sheppy, calm down. I'm me buy it for you.
You serious? Mildred, you buy a vehicle for me?